Hello, good to see you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sweets. Spiders. I'm not a big fan of spiders, but I think these are really cute for the kids, and you can make them in several different colours. It's so simple. Are you ready? Because this is going to be one very quick blog or vlog or whatever you want to call it, demonstration, because these are so easy to make. Don't forget to subscribe and give your thumbs up. I love hearing from you, so please comment below. I will always try and comment back, and don't forget as well to give me your opinion on what you think and what I'm doing and what else I should be doing. And also as well, it would be lovely to have you subscribed and on the channel, and you can also press the bell button, which gives you notifications of when the vlogs are up every single day. But don't forget to subscribe, that's the most important thing, and love hearing from you. So here goes. Here's how simple it is to make spider sweets. I thought these were a really good idea for the kids. I'm hoping this isn't going to knock you off because I'm doing this. Can you see? So these are all the different colours that I've done, and I'm just going to push those away and show you exactly what you need. So you need some sweets. They don't have to be Chopper Chops. It's just what I picked up. They were in Poundland. I use this glue. This is from the range or Poundland. It's only 99p. A pair of scissors, a couple of woggly eyes, which of course you've always got to have in your craft box, haven't you? And pipe cleaners. Now you can get whatever colours you want. I do think the most effective are with the black, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's take all that away and just start with this. By the way, the black of what, well, the colours of the pipe cleaners get everywhere. So you've got two pipe cleaners here, the long ones. So then what you're going to do is you are going to fold these in half to try and get the half, and then you're going to cut here. You see, look at all that black now on that. Just move that out the way. Then you're going to line them up evenly. You're going to get your lolly. You're going to put it just slightly up from halfway, but only ever so slightly. Okay? And then you take it, watch this, it'll go wrong because I'm doing it on camera now and I've made so many of them. So you go around just a couple of times. So you go around once, and then you're going to bring it around again. Keep that one there, around again. And then once you've done that, they should both be roughly the same size. And if they're not, and what you're going to do, because you can see that they're a little bit sort of off, you know, they're not all, what's the word I'm trying to look for? They're not all at the same length, you know what I'm trying to say. So all you're going to do is cut like so, move this to one side, turn that back over because this must be on the front, and then you want to space them out. Of course, it's going to be so quick, it's going to be over in. And then you just bend it over for the little legs, like so. Then you take a little bit of glue. So this is your back, this is your body. You take a little bit of glue, you put the glue on the pipe cleaners. I love this glue, it's only 99p and I've used it so much. I tend to lick my finger to get them to stick, but watch this. Oh, it's not going to do it. My nails, I need to get my nails done tomorrow. I'm in tomorrow, so excuse me, excuse my fingernails, they're not looking the best. And then you just put the two woggly eyes on, and there we go. It is your lollipop spider or your sweetie spider for Halloween. What a great idea for the kids. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up, but more importantly, subscribe so you can hear everything else that's going on, and press the bell notifications. And I love hearing from you as usual. So don't forget to comment below, and happy Halloween. These are great for making the kids, or they're just for birthday parties, aren't they? If you're doing like an ant or insect party, they're going to be absolutely cracking. See you later.